My name is Bhushan. In this video, we will verify whether an application is installed and the application framework Docker container state. The QRadar applications live in Docker containers, and one of the first troubleshooting steps is to determine whether the Docker image is installed and its status. To display the list of images, we use the Docker image command. This command shows the details such as repository, tag, image ID, creation, and the image size. To check the status of Docker container, we use the docker ps command. This command displays the details such as container ID, image being used, the command executed, the time it was created, its current status, and more. In my deployment, the apps are running on console. If you have an app host in the deployment and that is where the apps are running, run the same commands on the app host to get the install application container status. That's all on how to verify whether an application is installed and the application framework Docker container status. Thank you.